my hair color looks a lot like Love Live's Minami Kotori's hair color. So I kind of thought, why not try her cute bun hairstyle? But I couldn't find any instructions on how to do this hairstyle, so I just came up with my own way to do it, which I'm gonna share with all of you guys now. So let's start. Before doing any kind of hairstyle, I usually like to brush my hair to make sure that there are no tangles and everything is super smooth and straight. For maximum smoothness, I also like to use a hair smoothing fragrance spray. So your hair is not only super smooth, but also smells nice. Instead of using an ornamental hair tie like this one, you can also use a normal boring hair tie like this one here, and then just decorate your hairstyle with a hair clip. Bum bum. If you have a fringe like me, make sure to part it and put the rest of your hair behind your ears. Next, we're gonna do a half up. You see where the highest point of my ear is? This is the point where I'm going to grab first top layer of my hair, like this. Then take your hairband and make a side ponytail. So we're just gonna pull that upper section a little bit to the side, above where the highest point of your ear is. So it's basically going to be like a half up side ponytail. Now take your hair tie and let's tie that ponytail. First loop, second loop, and now here comes the third loop, which we're only going to complete halfway. So stop in the middle. So just where you're about to pull the hair through, stop, and you get this cute little Kotori bun here. The ponytail has been divided into two different lengths. Just keep the long part as it is, but take the shorter part, pull it slightly up there next to your Kotori bun, place it over your head like this. Now grab a bobby pin and carefully pin the shorter ponytail and the back of your head. As for the longer part, we just want to lift it a little bit up so it becomes a more bouncy ponytail. Just twist the top of your ponytail lightly, then lift it up to your bun. Then just grab a bobby pin and attach the top of the bobby tail onto your Kotori bun. Ta-da! Now if you want the ponytail to be just a little bit higher, give it another lift. If you follow these steps, you too can have a Kotori hairstyle. Comment below your favorite Love Live character and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye bye.